In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a sheet and seen unexpected colors, icons, or highlights that change based on values, that's conditional formatting at work. It's great for analysis, but sometimes you need to clean things up, reset the look, or get rid of outdated rules. I'll walk you through the quickest, most reliable way to remove those rules so your sheet looks exactly the way you want. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure you're on the tab where the formatting appears. Conditional formatting rules can target specific ranges or entire columns, so it helps to glance at the areas that are highlighted to know what you're about to remove. You don't need to select any cells for this process. We'll manage everything from the formatting panel. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Format. This is where Google Sheets keeps all style and formatting options, and it's also where the conditional formatting tools live. From that menu, choose Conditional Formatting. When you click it, a panel will slide in on the right side of your screen titled Conditional Format Rules. This panel lists every rule that applies to the current sheet, along with the ranges they affect and the conditions they use. Now, review the list and locate the rule you want to remove. You'll see each rule displayed as a card with its range and condition. On the right side of each rule card, there's a small delete or trash bin icon. Click that delete icon to remove the rule. As soon as you do, the associated highlights or colors disappear from the sheet because the automated formatting is no longer applied. If you have multiple rules, repeat this by clicking the delete icon for each one you want to clear. A quick tip: removing a rule only removes the automation. It won't touch any manual formatting you've applied yourself, like a fill color you set by hand. If you remove a rule by mistake, use Undo immediately to bring it back. Also, keep an eye on which tab you're on, since rules are managed per sheet tab. The panel makes it easy to see the applied ranges, so you don't accidentally remove something important. That's all it takes. Open your sheet, go to Format, open Conditional Formatting, and delete the rules you no longer need. With just a few clicks, you can remove distractions, simplify your data view, and make your spreadsheet easier to read and maintain. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning in Google Sheets.